We can move to our final picture in this video. What does this long ears indicate? Who is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. Again, we are drawing the picture of a rabbit, and this rabbit is standing up straight. So we can draw two legs, two hands, and its smiling face also marked. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Now we can move to our next picture. This is a picture of a rabbit holding a carrot in his hands. The favorite food of rabbit is carrot. So this rabbit is eating the carrot, by the way. So we have drawn the main body of the rabbit. Now we can draw the face. The face of the rabbit contains eyes and its mouth. We have drawn that. Let us move to our next picture. This is a familiar one. This face is very familiar. Which is this animal? This is a cat. I think you all like cats. So this is a cat, and we can draw its black streaks on its body. Now there is a small conversation by the cat, and there is a foot in front of the cat.